So by default, the module will be loaded only once, even though we try to import the module multiple times. So if I'm writing import module name multiple times, but it's going to load only once. So during the importing, if at all the module which I'm importing, I have made some changes there. So the changes will not have any impact even though you are importing multiple times. So if at all you want the updated module to be used in your program, so then we have to take the help of a reload function, which is actually available in a predefined module that is called your IMP. So let's say we have taken one of the predefined module that is your time, because we have to call one of the function that is present inside this time module, that is sleep. And for the time being, we can say that the sleep function is going to delay the execution of next statement within this particular time period. Okay. So we have to import the reload, so which is part of your IMP, because I have to use the reload function later. So here, this is the module which I'm importing. So the module name is what? Module 1. And this module 1 has one particular statement. Say this message is from module 1. So now, first time when I'm importing the module, I might be getting the same message what is available there. Now within this gap of delay of 30 seconds, if I'm modifying this module and saving this, updating this, then when I'm going for this reload followed by module 1, so the new content, whatever is updated here, that will be made available to me. So as a result, I'm going to get the new message that is been updated next time. So here every time we use the reload, I'm going to get the updated version of this module. So let's say here this module 1 has this message print hello hi. Okay, and in my program here, I'm trying to import the same module 3 times. Import module 1 I have written 3 times. So though I have written 3 times, this statement is not going to execute 3 times, rather it's going to execute only once. Okay, so let's see this when I'm running this module. So I'm getting this hello hi printed only once. So now what we have done, we have taken this module that is time, using which we are calling this sleep. So now you can see the import module 1 I have done here. As a result, this hello hi has to come. Now we have taken this reload module, using which we are calling this reload function on this module 1, which means after this import has been done, it has to print this hello hi. Next time when I reload, in the gap of this, I will be updating this module with something. So that updated version has to come here. And after some time again, I'm just going for the reloading of it. Okay. So let's see now when I run this for the first time. So I'm getting this hello hi printed. Now, if I just update this, let's say hello world, let's say I'm saving this. So after some time, because there is a delay we have made of 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, we are supposed to get the updated module that we have made here. See, we have got hello world. Earlier it was printing hello hi. Now it is printing hello world. So again in the gap, suppose I'm writing only, let's say world, and I'm saving it. So now, because we have called the reload function 2 times, so first time when I reload, I got the latest updated one, and now the second reload function has to get the world, only world that I have updated. So let us wait for some seconds. Yes, you can see I'm getting world here.